Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can move the mouse icon in your video by using CapCut. So here I've already imported a video and I want to just add the mouse sticker first. So go to the stickers and click on the arrow down category. This one's right here. And after that you can just scroll down until you found the mouse icon, the cursor icon here. Okay, so now I'm going to just add this cursor icon or mouse icon. Click on a check icon and here you can adjust the size and position. For example, I'm going to go with in here. Then don't forget to adjust the length of the durations of the mouse icon, and here you can just use a keyframe to move the mouse to your liking. So I've already added a keyframe at the start and I'm going to move forward and then start moving moving the mouse just like this. So you can move it around to your liking, and after you do that you can see the result and the mouse will be moving just like that. And that's a simple tutorial from me, but I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.